Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making key lime pie. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You will need 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 3/4 cup of key lime juice, 1 9-inch graham cracker crust, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, and whipped cream for your topping. In a mixer, combine the lime juice and sweetened condensed milk. Now add the sour cream and the lime zest and continue mixing for 2 minutes. Pour the filling into the pie crust, then transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow the pie to cook for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, remove it from the oven and place it on a wire rack to cool. Place the pie in the refrigerator to chill for 2 hours, and then it is ready to serve. If you like key lime pie, give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft